To mark items as shipped on Depop, start by logging into your Depop account and navigating to the Orders page. This page displays a list of all your current orders, including those that are pending shipment. Next, locate the order you want to mark as shipped and click on it to open the Order Details page. On this page, you will see the order status, which should currently be listed as pending or unpaid, depending on the payment status. Once you have confirmed the order details, click the Mark as Shipped button. You will then be prompted to enter the shipping carrier and tracking number for the shipment. Enter this information accurately, as it will be shared with the buyer. After entering the shipping information, click the Confirm button to update the order status. The order status will now be listed as shipped, and the buyer will receive a notification that their item has been sent. It is essential to mark items as shipped on Depop to ensure that buyers are informed and to maintain a high level of customer satisfaction. Additionally, marking items as shipped helps to build trust with potential buyers and can improve your overall seller rating on the platform. As a best practice, make sure to keep records of your shipments, including tracking numbers and carrier information, in case of any issues or disputes. By following these steps and maintaining accurate records, you can efficiently mark items as shipped on Depop and provide a positive experience for your buyers.